In this video, I am going to discuss about forest diseases that affects and harm forest as well as natural ecosystem. In Pakistan, forest diseases are harmful conditions that affects trees and other vegetation in forest, often caused by pathogens like fungi, bacteria, viruses or nematodes. These diseases can lead to significant damage, including tree death, weakened forest ecosystem, and disruption to biodiversity.